Hello, in this video I want to show you how to log out any device from one specific device from your Facebook account. So in order to do this, as you can see, I'm logged in on both of these smartphones on the same account. So let's click on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen, then on this gear icon, go for passwords and security. Here you'll see where you've logged in. Let's click on see all. And now there's one device that it's currently this phone. It's Nokia 5.3, and there's Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 Pro right here. So to log out this phone right here, let's click on these three little dots in the right side of the screen and log out. Now this phone should log out in a second. If not, it needs to be refreshed, so let's turn off the app and try opening again, and the session expired and we're logged out from this account. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.